you speak Spanish or English?
Mamacita! Bro, they're so fun. Hi.
Hi.
What's your phone like that?
Just comfortable for me?
Fix it.
No.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. I pressed the wrong button. I'm sorry.
Whoa.
Hi.
Are you flirting with me?
Yeah, kind of. Sorry. Hi, I'm Marcus.
Marcus?
What's your name?
I'm Tokjan.